Welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm on my way to SM Manila to have brunch with Bea, and then Joyce is running a bit late, so we're gonna see her in a bit after SM Manila. So I think now is the perfect time to surprise Joyce because we weren't able to surprise her during her birthday. Bea was actually stuck in traffic and I was really surprised kasi today is Tuesday and it's weird. Although, you know, ano ba ito? Pa? Overtake na overtake, hindi mo magpapakamatay. Ay, nako. Yun nga, she was stuck in SLEX for like 30 minutes na and she forgot to eat breakfast. So, we're gonna have brunch at Wicked Waffle. I also saw like really cute party favors pa, parang party whatever or birthday stuff sa National Bookstore, like the headbands with a happy birthday. So we're gonna buy that. Nakarang. I was able to put up the vlog with Judy last December 12, so it's now uploaded in my channel. Go ahead and go to the information box. I'll have the link down there. Super fun. I have another vlog with Judy, so it's gonna be December 13, and that was the one where we had dinner at Tagaytay, and yun, super fun. I have a makeup gig tomorrow at Makati at 2:30 p.m. and I'm hoping that I don't get stuck in traffic for, you know, such a long time. So I plan to leave the house early and hopefully get back home on time as well. We're now here at the Wicked Waffle and having coffee, and I'm with Bea Barreto. Hi, Bea. At pareho kami ng lip color today. Ano yan? Ano yan?
The Heavenly Hybrid MAC.
MAC. Ito Revlon. Parang lipstick. Actually, nandito eh. Here. Ayan siya. Revlon. Color Stay Moisture Stain. Actually, cute siya, Bea. Pareho nga sila. That's weird.
Oh, may dupe na to. Ano to eh, parang limited edition.
Konti na lang yan. Hindi naman. Oh.
Parang limited edition.
What are you having?
Cream cheese waffle. They're so good. This is my new favorite here.
Hindi ka kasi kumain eh, no? We're gonna surprise Joyce. Perfect timing. Ngayon lang tayo nagkatayin, no? Ngayon lang talaga, I swear. Fun. Wicked Waffle. Yeah, Wicked Waffle. I ordered the same waffle. Cream cheese din. Bea finally got her phone. Patingin mo, Bea, anong tawag dyan? iPhone 6 Plus. Ang laki-laki niya. Bongga. Ano bang color iba niyan? Gold.
Gold, may silver na likod. Tapos yung space.
Ang ganda ng gold. Sobrang wow. Bongga.
Super lang. Smart na ako.
Yeah, tsaka smart ang gusto mo, no? Hindi mo.
Oo, nag-tweet sa akin sa mga Globe
Ano sabi?
agents or whatever. Ma'am, if you have any problem,
So we got at a National Bookstore and got a candle and parang princess hat for Joyce. Yan. Tapos we're here at Starbucks. We got her a mug. Cute, diba? We're gonna get the crepe cake over there. 4 na lang siya, babe. Manalig ka, add na lang yan. Nag-isip kasi ako ng gift kay Benji. Tapos may nag-comment na naghahanap daw si Benji ng parang pang dashboard. Sayang, hindi ko nabigay.
may mirror ba to?
Meron. Ito.
Scared ako eh.
Ayan.
Grabe. Ay, kung alam. Ay, nako. Pag nag-meet and greet si Judy next time, dadala ka ng regalo para sa mga kitties.
Yeah. Totoong bagal. Bisa mo.
Pero na-excite ako sa'yo, nanonood doon akong vlog eh. Pero ako, gumagalit ako. Feel ko naman nandun ako.
Meron akong isang vlog na after nung December 12, in-upload ko yung 11. Kasi nakalimutan ko i-upload yung 11. Yung kasama ko si Joy sa studio. Yun yung nag-upload ngayon. Actually, naka-up na yun ngayon for sure. Tapos yung nag-upload ngayon, for tomorrow naman, yung isa pa yung kay Judy, yung Tagaytay, nag-Tagaytay kami.
Okay.
Yun. We're done with SM Manila. Bili lang kami ng cake, mga party favors. Pakita mo nga, babe. Tapos yung mug para kay Joycey Sola.
Cause she's a princess.
Wala na kasi yung hat na hindi hat eh. Headband na may happy birthday
Oh,
sign.
yan. Bagay naman sa studio na eh.
Color.
Diba? I speak. Like
Cute
your
nga.
studio. So everybody knows she's the boss in there. She's the boss. As maganda yung candles na napili na. napakahaba. At dapat nag-vlog na din ako kasi may bago.
Nag-vlog ka ba today?
Diba? Natamad ako.
Mga to. Hindi kayo go. Mag-go kayo.
Medyo nakakomatos ako sa kinain natin. Hello! Yan, yung nag-vlog today. Woohoo! Look who I'm with, I would say. So, surprise din namin si Joyce. Late na surprise, pero surprise
Finally, natuloy
nonetheless,
din.
because super busy. So, hindi namin na birthday surprise si Joyce. So, kahit sabi mong late na, pwede na yun. What's important is we surprise her birthday. Diba? So, yun. So, I'm finally vlogging on my new phone. And super love ko siya. I will do a review on the iPhone next time. If you guys wanna see iPhone, what's on my iPhone, comment down below. Kasi hindi ako sure eh. Tasado ba kayo sa ganun?
Oo, yung
I
iba.
love watching yung mga what's on my iPhone kasi I get to find out what new apps
Yeah.
is awesome.
Parang si Heart meron eh, no?
Meron. Tapos may bagong sa sa Mac, may yung bagong update na Yosemite. Dun sa QuickTime player, movie player, pag kinonect mo yung phone mo, yung iPhone mo sa Mac, pwede mong i-record yung ginagawa mo sa iPhone mo.
Talaga?
Pero yung parang, kasi dati bibili ka pa ng special software, yung mga nagpa-find my iPhone, tapos pinapakita lang nila sa video yung parang, as in parang software mismo.
Oo.
Pwede mo nang gawin yan sa Mac. Tapos pwede ka na mag-record ng voice over while you're showing them. So it's easier to do than filming the phone. So yun.
We finally found a parking space.
Galing mag-park kasi.
Kasi may assistant sa likod. Okay, we're finally here. Mag-surprise tayo kay Bay. Ayan, nag-text si Bay. Joyce pala, sorry. Interchange na naman. Ang sabi?
Saan na kayo?
In the elevator. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're here. Sadly, wala tayong candle pa dun pa sa loob. Pero surprise din daw. Bongga.
Hindi na-expect na madala tayo.
Let's go.
Tignan ka naman.
Happy birthday to you.
Ginulat niyo ako,
Belated ha? Totoo? Nagulat ka?
Ano to? Yung
Cute, diba? Smile kami, picture ka namin. Oh my God.
Sobrang belated.
Smile, Joyce. 1, 2, 3. We love it.
Alam mo, nakakatawa kasi...
Oh no, wait lang. Suotin mo to. Hindi pa tapos. Isa pa. Yan, princess. Yan, smile. 1, 2, 3. Yan, cute. Bakit sa kanya? And that's not all. This is for you from us.
There's more.
Tignan mo, Bay. Ay, tignan mo, ano ba yan? Tignan mo, Joyce.
Natatawa ako. Ano, bakit?
Bakit?
Kasama mo
Ah,
yan?
sige.
Natatawa ako.
Kukwento niya mamaya kung ba't siya natatawa.
Bakit?
Diba, Princess Joyce?
Just because it's not December, so we're not super late.
Cute, diba? Si Bay nagpili niya.
Actually,
welcome.
naisip ako kanina, sabi ko, kasi, wait lang.
Kaya pala natatawa si Joyce kasi pumunta rin na siya ng Starbucks. Pumunta siya ng Starbucks and she got us gifts. Oh my God, thank you, Joyce.
Yayaman ng Starbucks sa amin. Seryoso.
Kaya pala tawang-tawa ka? Oh my God, thanks. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this is what I wanted. Thank you, Joyce.
Yes, no problem.
Shucks. Oo nga, ay yung straw. Twinsies kami ni Bay. O yan mo, Bay. Twinsies tayo.
Funny kasi, yun, surprise nila ako. Tapos na-surprise din sila ako. Kaya
Double
natawa
surprise,
ako
double
kanina.
surprise.
Yayaman ng Starbucks.
Oh, I love it. Thank you, Joyce.
Thank
We're gonna check out an apartment which I am looking at, you know,
Ewan na, ubus na siya.
for next year. Pagpasok may kitchen area, tapos may here pwedeng sala, receiving area, tapos may closet. Madami tayong aparador. Tapos to CR, actually maganda yung okay naman yung CR. It's okay. It's, you know, yan. And then, we also have a mirror. Full-length mirror. I actually picture myself living here. And then we have a one-bedroom space over here. Kasama na yung aircon, so kulang na lang ng parang drapes. It's pretty okay for, you know, one person. Yeah. We're gonna eat the cake. Yan. Masarap ba, babe?
Yes!
Hindi ko nakuha yung mga first reaction nila. Sabi, ano sabi mo?
Ano ba sinabi?
May sinabi ka, oh my God, parang gumanon ka.
Hindi. Ang sinabi niya, ako sa sinabi ko, holy shoot. Sinabi mo,
Oo.
Ow!
sorry.
Yun. Sarap niya. Layer siya ng crepe na may, oh my goodness, yummers.
Ayan na ang aming naantay.
I have until Saturday to decide if I will get the apartment or not. Buti Tuesday pa lang ngayon, so mag-isip muna ako. Napakabongga ng MacBook ni Joycey. Yan ka mapatingin nga. Yan, ang laki, bongga.
Nagpapatulong kay Bea.
Yeah. Christmas gift and birthday gift from tita or auntie. Love it.
Love it.
Hindi namin maubos yung cake kasi medyo super tamis.
Ano yung torrent?
Super fun day.
Yung torrent? Yung torrents ba?
5:36. Yung new video is up, probably up. Later pa pala yun. Later, 11:30 p.m. So, yung vlog na yun. Yung nag-vlog ako dito, Joyce. Yung nag-holiday. Nauna kasi yung 12. Napansin mo wala yung 11. Hindi ko pala na-edit. Sabi ko, okay, kailangan ko edit yun. Kaya, in-insert ko siya.
Cute.
So, Joyce got a face transplant. Face transplant.
Sobrang busog na.
Kaya, Joyce. Ano ba yan? Ano ba?
Ayan.
Color.
I love it.
Ayan.
Wait. Picture mo na. Isa po.
Sa pa, anong effect?
Space alien.
Saan?
Ano yung love struck?
Ayan.
Ano itong love struck?
Mulo. Teka, space alien. Ayan, layo. Sa'yo?
I love my hair! Bagay pala. Ano yung love struck?
Laptop.
Ay, sakit na dyan ba?
Wala na, may heart lang tayo. Ayoko,
Oh
may
my
heart
God.
lang.
Sakit ng dyan ko doon.
Wait, eto, blackhead na yun. Ikaw nga! Yung kilay ni...
Bakit? Anong problema nyo?
Eto ba, Mac? No? Yeah.
Salok. So I'm now back in the car. I'm gonna head home. Today is such an incredible day. As in, hindi ko ma-describe yung na-feel ko. Basta, I don't wanna jinx anything. So, we're just gonna wait for things to hopefully fall into place. And hopefully, basta, let's keep our fingers crossed. So, I'm super excited and I feel super blessed. And I hope everything turns out well. I'm gonna end the vlog. I'm just gonna go home lang. I'm super happy. Binilan ako ng Joyce tong favorite kong, yung favorite, pero I was eyeing on this cup ever since I saw it. I love it. Ay nako, thank you Joyce. And it's super fun talaga naman every time I'm with Bea and Joyce. So yun, let's just, please pray for me. I hope everything goes well. I really need this. I really need this talaga. So yun. Let's just hope. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.